It's come to my bit disappointed that coronavirus cases have increased yet again, and it is blah. The 21st day with coronavirus cases over 1,000, and it is day 59 of wave 2 of coronavirus in Canada. So what I am seeing today is Peel region has stepped forward and beaten Toronto with coronavirus cases again, with 572 coronavirus cases. Toronto has 356, and 111 is from York region. And unfortunately, we have another high death as usual. So now we're at 21 people dying today. So that's lower than yesterday's number, which is a ridiculously high 35. I did not know it would reach that high. So some same stuff as usual. So the records are down below, and so some stuff to recall. So Waterloo's in the red zone. Toronto's in the Peel region's locked down for the next couple days, and yeah. And rural regions in Ontario are requesting people from gray zones and red zones regions to not come to their regions, because once they do, the coronavirus cases can also escalate and it can also worsen, and these rural regions will move into the yellow zone, and then maybe if it gets even worse, the orange zone, and yeah, they'll turn out like Waterloo region. So you guys know the rules. This is exception from Waterloo is down below too, you know. And gray zone, it's much more descriptive, so you need to really check that out. So if you're in the Toronto Peel region, you need to really read that. So and as a reminder, takeout is available at restaurants, but if a restaurant's website has not updated, do check DoorDash.ca for more info. It's usually up there. I checked. Today's hospitalizations. So 556 people are hospitalized. That's a new large increase today, and 151 people are in the ICU. That's slightly lower than yesterday's, and 105 people are on a ventilator. Ouch. Schools, yeah. This is it does not show like what school does the number of schools that it is coming from. Yeah, a total of 4,349 cases, school related cases now in Ontario entirely, and 2,673 is from students, 589 is from staff, and so that's a large increase from compared to last time's number. So more students and more staff, more students are getting affected, and staff are like slightly getting more infected, and unknown individuals. That the number is it has not changed. It's still at 100,087 like yesterday. So 4 schools are still closed, and I assume at least 1 or 2 of them is from Toronto or Peel region. And a long-term care home, that's yeah. It's unfortunate. It's now at 2,187 deaths. And there's some new stuff. So businesses in Toronto and Peel region are forced to close and is unfortunate. They had to do that, but these businesses this is because people did not follow coronavirus safety rules, and and some businesses they tried to open, and of course that's against the rules. But yeah, on them. But I think the government they should at least give these businesses at least some way of providing money, because lots of businesses have closed. Like clothing forever, and they gone bankrupt or yeah something, and it's sad. All because of coronavirus. The hardworking people are struggling the most. Now for coronavirus rankings. I'm not surprised. Quebec is at 135,430. Ontario is at 111,376. Alberta is at 50,801. British Columbia is at 29,086. Manitoba is at 14,907. Saskatchewan is at 7,447. Nova Scotia is at 1,243. New Brunswick 453. Newfoundland and Labrador is at 324. Nunavut is at 155. Prince Edward Island is still at 69. Yukon Territory is now at 39, and Northwest Territories is still at 15 at the bottom. So follow coronavirus safety rules. Don't have any social gatherings with others. Keep over 10 and keep important meetings up to 10. Zoom chat or Google Meet an alternative. Don't do any activities with other people. Only go on essential travel. Keep your health there first priority. Stay out of areas where coronavirus cases can be high, and avoid going to places if you're from a high case area. And do check which color zone your region is in, because that may also affect where you can go and where you can't go. Stay safe, folks.